In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix and understand the C# error. Cannot implicitly convert type 1 into type 2. C# is a strongly typed language, which means every variable and object must have a clearly defined type, and the compiler enforces strict rules about how types interact. This prevents accidental errors, like trying to store a number in a text variable or using a decimal number where only whole numbers are allowed. Because of this, C# doesn't allow implicit conversions between types if there's a risk of losing data or changing meaning. For example, you can't just assign an int, whole number, to a string, text, without explicitly converting it. To begin, I have my example code in a basic C# console application demonstrating an error that is thrown because C# is a strongly typed language. This error occurs when you try to implicitly convert one data type into another incompatible type. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. First, consider this code. We have an integer variable, int number and 10. Then we attempt to directly assign this integer to a string text, chars number. This causes error CS0029 because C# does not allow implicit conversion from an integer, int, to a string. The compiler doesn't know how to automatically turn the integer into a text value. To fix this, we need to explicitly convert the integer to a string by using the ToString method, like this. String correct text chargens number dot ToString. This tells the compiler explicitly, take the integer and convert it into text. Now, this line works perfectly. Console, write line, correct text. And outputs, 10. Here's another common scenario causing the same error. Suppose you have a double price, charges 9.99, and you attempt to assign it directly to an integer, int amount equals price. This again results in error CS0029 because you can't implicitly convert from a decimal value, to an int, a whole number. The correct way to fix this is either to use explicit casting or conversion methods. Here's how. To explicitly cast the double to an int, this will truncate or remove the decimal part. Int correct amount equals open parenthesis, int close parenthesis price. Or, if you prefer rounding the double to the nearest integer, use the convert to int32 method. Int rounded amount equals convert to int32 to price. These two corrected examples will now successfully compile and run. Console, write line, correct amount. Outputs, 9. Console, write line, rounded amount. Outputs, 10. Remember, always ensure you're explicitly converting between incompatible types to avoid the CS0029 error in your C# programs. Thanks for watching.